Hello everybody, I hope this finds you well. I'm going to talk today obviously about where we're at in terms of occupancy in the hospitals and the impact of COVID. And also I'm going to talk a bit about the Scottish Health Awards because we had 3 winners here in NHS Lanarkshire, so that's good news. In terms of the numbers overall, our new case numbers have climbed today to over 551, so that's unusually high. It's been about 200 or 300 for the last 2 or 3 weeks really, so that has gone up. So we'll just have to hope, I guess, that that's not a sustained increase and that it doesn't translate into hospital admissions. Our hospital admissions, our inpatient numbers are currently sitting over 100. We have 107, and again that is an increase over recent weeks where we had managed to keep it under 100. So again, we're keeping a weather eye on that. Within ICU, we have 6 patients and 5 patients on CPAP, and also 5 outbreaks in care homes across the whole of Lanarkshire. We are moving forward apace with our vaccination programme, so about 5,000 people being done every day in Lanarkshire to take forward those numbers, and the numbers sitting at the moment at 137,000. So we're well on the way really now to giving everybody their booster. We have a population of just over 500,000, so we are well on the way to delivering that. And that's going well, so just want to say thank you to the vaccination team as ever, and also really just to encourage everybody to come forward, both for your flu and for your COVID boosters. I said I'd say something about Scottish Health Awards. Really delighted that we've had 3 winners this year from NHS Lanarkshire. So first of all, I want to just formally congratulate Eleanor Grant. Eleanor is the palliative care nurse inpatient specialist at Wishaw Hospital, and Catriona Ross, who nominated her, describes her as she is palliative care at NHS Wishaw, and she goes above and beyond to really improve the time that people spend in the hospital, and that's particularly important when it is at the end of somebody's life. And I think all through her career, she specialised in palliative care, so she has a great deal of skill that she brings to the job. She's also done things like she's actually pulled together a lot of the work behind the garden in Wishaw, which if you visited it, which I have, it's really lovely, and it's a really nice, quiet, tranquil space for patients and families to visit when they are in the hospital in that difficult time. So just want to say huge congratulations to Eleanor, and thank you so much for your ongoing work for NHS Lanarkshire and for all the patients. I know you've been a nurse for 35 years, and I'm sure that this is a lovely way to celebrate for you the impact you've had for all of these patients that you've treated over the years. So thank you very much. Secondly, I wanted to talk about Angela Shaw. Angela is a clinical support worker who works with the public health team and has a role supporting TB patients, and she's a force of nature. I know Angela, and she goes above and beyond every day and will do whatever she thinks needs to be done to help the patient population, from baking cakes for the multidisciplinary team to undertaking additional training herself so that she can administer drugs if needed. And she, as I say, is a complete asset to the public health team, and they were delighted to nominate her, and she was a winner in the individual award category at the Scottish Health Awards. So huge congratulations to Angela. And finally, a team award. We got the team award for the team that provide Coatbridge Living Well in the community. Now, this is a team that's been particularly focused on frailty and trying to improve falls prevention through targeted work with anticipatory care pathways for a number of high-risk older people living in the community. And the thing that impressed me most about the work that this team does is the range of people that seem to be involved. So it's not just NHS staff, it's health and social care staff, it's third sector staff, so a wide range of multidisciplinary team people working together and really targeting falls prevention and frailty in a way that's making a real difference. So again, thank you very much to that team, and all the best with keeping that great work going. And there will be thousands of other teams and individuals across NHS Lanarkshire who equally would be worthy of this award. And I would remind everybody, do submit the awards next year again, because we do generally get a few people through to the final, and it's just lovely to be able to join them to celebrate their success. So thank you again.